Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Aerofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to cancel your free 30-day trial Realm subscription. And so basically this works for all Bedrock versions, which means it's going to work for Minecraft Xbox One, Pocket Edition, as well as Windows 10 Edition. And so firstly, what you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your favorite web browser, whatever it may be, and I'll catch you guys over there. And now, once you guys are on your favorite web browser, what you need to do is go ahead and type in Microsoft.com. All right, just go ahead and do that. And now, once you're here, what you need to do is go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft account that you have currently been playing Minecraft with, that you have bought the Minecraft Realm subscription with. All right, so that's important. All right, so once you sign into that Microsoft account, what you need to do is go ahead and click on My Microsoft account right over here. Just go ahead and click that, and it's going to open up a new page. And basically, over here, what you need to do, all right, so you're going to see it right over here. So let it just load quickly. So as you guys can see, so it is going to be under subscriptions, but for whatever reason, if you're unable to see it, just make sure again, like I said, that you're signed into the same account that you bought your realms with. Or and if you have checked that, what you need to do is just go ahead and click on services and subscriptions. It's right over here, as you guys can see over here. So just go ahead and click on that, and basically what that will do is show you all of your current subscriptions that are currently there. And now once you click on here, what you need to do, so as you guys can see, so Realm Plus monthly subscription, it is in fact a 30-day trial. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on manage. And before I do that, you can also do this if you do not have a trial. I mean, if you have already completed your trial and you're currently a paying member of Minecraft Realms and you want to cancel your Realms subscription, you can use the same method and it's going to work just the same. And okay, so now I'm going to click on manage, and now you have three options. You can change how you pay, turn off recurring billing, and cancel subscription. Now you may be wondering, what's the difference between cancel subscription and turn off recurring billing? Well, the difference is if you cancel your subscription, then you won't be able to restart your subscription again. But whereas for recurring billing, like if you turn off recurring billing, then you can turn it back on anytime and it's going to charge you that time. So it's much safer if you use this device along with your little siblings or children, then it's much safer to just cancel the subscription, or they can just turn on recurring billing once again and you'll be charged then and there via your credit card. So just go ahead and do that. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and turn off recurring billing, and I can turn it back on anytime. So yeah, so it's going to ask, are you sure? Just go ahead and click on confirm. And now as you guys can see, so it is currently turning off recurring billing. So it's going to take some time. It's going to take about 2 minutes and 2 seconds, and that's done. So as you guys can see, so I can turn on recurring billing or I can cancel my subscription, which I'm not going to do right now. And this is basically how you cancel your subscription, your 30-day trial, as well as your normal Realm subscription in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Like I said, it works for Windows 10, Xbox One, and Minecraft Pocket Edition. So if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Now, goodbye.